Alright, this is the lazy river. On our way to the gym, the workout room at Aulani. I believe it's through here to the right somewhere. Haven't actually been there yet. So it was the first for me and for you. Okay, the water fountain. Little cubby area. Dumbbells, mirror. Little scale here. Got exercise balls. Pretty little projection. Got a TV with some cool fancy glass over it. They have a Peloton. I wish I would have known. I would have been on this. Yeah, so they got, well, more than two. They got a few Pelotons. Some ellipticals. And some treadmills. And that's the Miki workout room, everybody. Cool. And through the exit. I should have filmed this coming in, but just to our right, we got a bathroom. And cast members only, it looks like. So that's it.
Wait, the water bottle thing turned on.
Oh, yeah. They got a water bottle filler, that's cool.